Why aren't you working in the field you studied so hard to be in? Thinking of all the good you are going to accomplish just to find out there's no positions available. And now you're stuck in a job you keep just to survive, not making anywhere near what you want to make or having the impact you thought you would have. Feeling disappointed and embarrassed most times while listening to others talk about their accomplishments, the places they've seen and the things they can afford. All you feel is this knot forming in the pit of your stomach, and the fear of judgment from your peers because you're nowhere near where you thought you would be by now. But what if instead of feeling disheartened by your circumstances, you felt conviction and passion when you spoke? Because you were able to start your own company. You love what you do and you're having a major impact in other people's lives. How you have all this time, energy, and financial freedom to go where you want and live how you want, completely on your terms because you're your own boss. You do what you want and you never have to answer to anybody. Just imagine how much more proud you would feel to have that conversation with your family, friends, and colleagues. If you want to learn more about how you can make a major impact in this world by starting your own company and being your own boss, follow the link below this video. Fill in your details and I'll send you a complimentary 4-day workshop video series that will show you how to start a business you love from scratch. You don't need a unique idea of your own and you don't need any prior experience. You simply need a way to watch the workshops and the willingness to learn some new things. You may not be able to work in the field you studied so hard to be in. But when you're running your own company, loving what you do, living how you want, and making a major impact in other people's lives, looking back 40 years from now, do you think you will have missed your calling or found it? Forge a brand new path for your life.